Welcome to TAFE campus at Kingswood, New South Wales, Australia. This is our English classroom for the Adult Migrant English program. I think this is the biggest campus I've ever seen. That's customer service and way to library. Here at TAFE, you can choose from a variety of courses, nursing, dental, etc. Naubusan na yata ako nag-English. Tagalog naman. O pwedeng Malay. O, tingnan ni, besar campus niya. Library niya, besar. Nah, puas ko sana. Peaceful, relaxing, surrounded by nature. I'll show you later. Nature lovers. Library Lovers Day. Welcome, welcome. It's a happy place to those who love reading, surrounded by books and stories. Meron din fitness course dito. Mga member ng estudyante, nasa $60 lang per semester. Diba? Mura-mura. Tourism and hospitality, hairdressing, may child studies din. Malaki din yung cafe nila dito. Wala nang katao-tao kasi pauwi na. Uwian na. Alas 2:30 ng hapon na dito. Kantin nila, oh. Malinis. Tahimik. Yan mga drink machine. Ito naman sa labas. Gusto mong magpainit. O, diba? Malaki. Mag-relax-relax ka dyan, oh. Picnic-picnic ka. Pwede siguro dyan. Diba? Kakatuwa. It's a beautiful place. Do you agree? What do you think, guys? Break time namin. Recess. Ang laki, no? My goodness. I like it. I like it much. Yan na. Pauwi na by bus. Then train na. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, like. I do appreciate it. What do you think my English speaking, guys? Pasado na ba?